So now let's see how we can work around with the red tools in the sculpting mode inside of Blender. So to work around with the red tools, first of all, I'm just going to draw some random things over here by using the blue tools just like this. So the red tools can be used to smoothen out objects. So if I were to click and drag this, you can see that I can smoothen out how it actually looks. So whatever I drew around with these tools, with the draw tool, I can actually smoothen them out. And if I were to go over here on to the smooth option, I can increase the radius of the brush and I can increase the strength over here as well. Just like this, I can increase and decrease the strength. I can smooth, I can enhance over here as well to have an opposite effect if I want to as well. So if I were to go over here, then you can see that it smoothens these things out. I can also go over here. I'm just going to draw around some random things just like this, click and drag this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the other red tool, that is flatten. So if I were to go around right here, instead of smoothing, it pushes things down, so it flattens the object down, as you can see right here. So it flattens it down instead of smoothing it around. And you can go around over here, increase the strength, and it flattens it even further. So as you click it, you can see that it flattens out that area as if you push out something right here, and you can see that it flattens that area out. So other option you have is contrast, so you can really increase out the contrast, or you can have the opposite effect, that is flatten those things out. Then you have the fill option, which allows you to fill out, like let's say for example, corners right here, click and drag it, and it fills out that area right here. Click and drag it around, and it fills around right here. Click and drag it around, it fills around, and so forth, so that you don't have these bumps right here. You can also go around right here and deepen things, so you can go around and then push this even forward to deepen out things as well instead of filling them out. Another option you have is scrape. So if I were to go around, then it scrapes off. So you can see that I can click and do this thing, and you can scrape around the object just like this according to how you like it. And these are the modifying tools that you have in the red section, and that is how you can work around with the red section inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.